Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be comparing my defected Eliza, or Eliza, with my replacement one. Because a while ago, I got this Eliza at Walmart, but she had some defects, and my replacement one, this one here, just arrived. So first, for the comparison, I'm going to be comparing their hair. So this one here, she's still in stock hair, and all I did was brush it, which slightly messed up the stock, but not that much. This one here is her hairstyle is one that I redid by doing braids, and I think this hairstyle should have been her stock hair because I just feel like it's a bit more fairy-like. And when I got this one, she had an eyelash stuck down here, so I had to trim it because it didn't stay out properly, where this one did not have any of that. And this one's face is more shiny than the other one. And as for their bodies, this one is a bit more shiny when not in direct light. And this one here, you can kind of see the defect marks on her underwear and leg. Those were the defects that I had to submit something for. And then this one here, you can see does not have any. And then this one also, just notice that the shine doesn't go around all her leg, where it does in my new one. And I'm also planning on customizing my defect one. So if you want to see how she looks when she's done being customized, you'll have to subscribe. Anyway, that is all. So, bye.